Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Fidelity's employee equity compensation services. Okay, if you've been wondering how to use Fidelity's employee equity compensation services, this video is going to help you out with that. It's just going to be a quick one. I'm going to give you guys a step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's not waste any time at all and jump straight into the video. Now, the first thing you're going to do is to log into your Fidelity account. You can log into the mobile app on your mobile device, or you could choose to do so online via the website. Now, once you're logged into your account, you just want to click on employee benefits, and then you're going to choose equity compensation. And here you can browse the equity compensation services, that's the stock options or the RSUs. And then you can use the service to manage employee equity compensations. You could also view and exercise equity awards. Likewise, you can monitor the equity compensation activity, and you can also use the services to administer employee equity compensations. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Fidelity's employee equity compensation services. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.